welcome to Sushi Chill and Grill. My name is Jan, and this is what we're gonna make today. Apple tarts, quick and easy. I had these beautiful apples laying around, and I didn't know what to make of them. And then it hit me, apple tarts, yes. Now let's see some magic. Whoa, nice. I roughly quartered the apples, made them in slices. This is pre-made puff pastry. Now with a knife we're gonna make a square. The sides then, when baked, will be little puffy. And believe me, they will also be crunchy. Now I'm gonna give it a little egg wash. This one is ready. I'm gonna transfer it to a pan sheet. I should have done that before. Look at that, 4, and they all are egg washed. They will go in the oven for about 5 minutes. Now 5 minutes later, look at that. They are a little bit fluffy, delicious. Now we're gonna put on the apple slices. I'm adding sugar, and it's normal white sugar, and you can put a lot on it if you like. Now this we call Speculaas Spices, and it's something Dutch, but in a nutshell it's cinnamon, ground cloves, grated nutmeg, grounded coriander seeds, anise seeds, ginger, pepper and cardamom. I also gonna give it something extra sweet, and I put some honey on it. I really like apples and honey. Now they are ready for the oven, and they will go in for about 15 to 25 minutes, depends on your oven. But hey, look at that, beautiful. But off, I use some Figjam. I really like Figjam, and this will give our apple tarts a little glow, a little shininess, some extra deliciousness. I let them cool for about 15 minutes. The fun part, you really need to hear this. Now I'm gonna eat them all. Yes, not another one. Oh, and another one. And the last one. Thank you for watching. I hope you like my apple tarts. They're really delicious. If you're new to the channel, I hope you subscribe, hit that bell for more amazing videos. And as always, see you next time. You can also find me on Instagram, Sushi Chill and Grill.